Ever wondered why your dream PC build isn't performing as expected? It might be due to some common yet avoidable mistakes. Skipping compatibility checks is a frequent error. Not all components work together seamlessly. Your CPU and motherboard need to have matching sockets. AMD and Intel use different types, so double-check before buying. Memory compatibility is another tricky area. Ensure your RAM matches your motherboard's specifications. High-performance GPUs can be bulky. Make sure your PC case has enough space to fit your GPU. Power supply issues can disrupt your build. Not all PSUs can handle powerful GPUs and CPUs. Use an online calculator to estimate your system's power needs and choose a PSU with at least 100-150 W above the requirement. Cooling is critical. Poor airflow can lead to overheating and decreased performance. Arrange your fans so that cool air enters from one side and exits on the other for optimal airflow. Consider upgrading to an aftermarket cooler for your CPU if you're running demanding software or games. Give your GPU adequate space to breathe and consider installing additional fans around it. Poorly organized cables can obstruct airflow and trap heat. Tidy cables mean a cooler system. Plan your cable routes early and use built-in cable routing channels and ties to keep things neat. Zip ties and Velcro straps are your best friends for managing cables. They keep cables bundled and prevent tangling. Connect your PSU cables last to avoid a cable jungle and route them with the rest of your build in place. Avoid bending or stretching cables too tightly to prevent damage or disconnections. Double-check that all connections are secure, especially smaller, delicate connectors like those for power and reset buttons. Choosing a reliable PSU is a long-term investment in your PC's performance and stability. Look for 80+ certification in PSUs for better efficiency and long-term performance. Future-proof your build by choosing a PSU with higher wattage to accommodate future upgrades. Avoiding these common mistakes will save you time, money, and frustration, ensuring your PC runs smoothly and efficiently.